Hello students, in today's video I am going to tell you about the divisibility test. If you have any large number and if you want to see if it is divisible by 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. or not, you have no need to divide it fully, but you can take these divisibility tests. By these tests we can see if the number is divisible by these numbers or not. First of all, we will take divisibility by 2. For it, we have to see only the last digit as it has 6. If the last digit is divisible by 2, then the whole number is divisible by 2. As here 6 is divisible by 2, we can say that the whole number will be divisible by 2 as we get the answer. This is the answer. Next we take divisibility by 3. For this we take the number again. Now we will add the digits 1 plus 2 plus 2 plus 9 plus 3 plus 1 plus 6. We get 24. Now you will see if this number 24 is divisible by 3, yes, then the whole number will be divisible by 3. As we get the answer, if we divide it by 3, we will get this will be the answer. Now I will take divisibility by 4. We will take the number again. For divisibility of 4, we will see if the number formed by last 2 digits, as here you are saying 1 and 6, the number is 16. If this number is divisible by 4, yes, then the whole number will be divisible by 4. You will see here. We will get as this will the answer. Now you will see if number is divisible by 5. For this, we will take this number again. Here, to see if it is divisible by 5 or not, we will have to see only the last digit. If last digit is either 5 or 0, then whole number will be divisible by 5. Otherwise not. Here we are seeing that 6 is not divisible. Here 6 is not divisible by 5, then the whole number will be not divisible by 5. So number will not be to see if the number is divisible by 5, we will have to see the last digit only. If it is 0 or 5, only then the number will be divisible by 5. Next, we will see the divisibility by 6. We will take the number again. To see if it is divisible by 6, we will have to see if it is divisible by 2 or 3 both, because the factors of 6 are 2 and 3. If the number is divisible by 2 and 3 both, only then the number will be divisible by 6. Here, for divisibility of 2, we will have to see if the last digit 6 is divisible by 2, the whole number is divisible by 2. Then we will say that yes, this number is divisible by 2. And for 3, we will see the sum of digits. Is divisible by 3? Yes, then the number will be divisible by 3. Here we have seen that the number is divisible by both 2 and 3. Then we can say that the number is also divisible by 6. This is the test to see if the number is divisible by 6 or not. For it, we have to see the number should be divisible by 2 and 3 both. If the number is not divisible by 2 or 3 or both, the number will not be divisible by 6. Now we will see if the number is divisible by 8 or not. For this, we have to take the number formed by last 3 digits. This one, 316. Here the number is 316. We will see if this is divisible by 8. Not divisible. So the whole number will be not divisible by 8. Students, we have seen the number formed by last 3 digits. This one, if it is not divisible by 8, then the whole number will not be divisible by 8. Now we will take divisibility by 9. For this, we will take the sums of the digit. Sum of the digits 1 plus 2 plus 2 plus 9 plus 3 plus 1 plus 6. We get 24. But here we can see that 24 is not divisible by 9. So the whole number will not be divisible by 9. To see the divisibility by 9, we have to check if the sum of the digits is divisible by 9 or not. Now we will take the divisibility by 10. We will take the number again. Here to see divisibility by 10, we have to see only the last digit. If last digit is 0, only 0, only then the number is divisible by 10. To see the divisibility by 10, we have to check only the last digit of the whole number. If it is 0, only then we can say that is divisible by 10, otherwise not. Here the number is 6, it is not 0. The last digit is 6, so we can say that this whole number is not divisible by 10. So the number is not divisible. Now we will see divisibility by 11. I see that the students have a difficulty in this test, divisibility by 11. You have to understand it properly. See it again and again. You will try and will learn. I am going to give you easy method to see divisibility by 11. We will take the number again. Students, here we have to see the digits which are on even places and the digits which are on odd places separately. First we will take the digits as this and this. The digit at odd places are 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 6. We get 12. Also, the number at even places are this one and this one. Now we'll take these numbers 2 plus 9 plus 1. We get 12. Now subtract these both numbers. 12 minus 12, we get 0. If this subtraction comes 0 or divisible by 11, if we get the number either it is 0 or the number which is a multiple of 11, or we can say that if the number is divisible by 11, then the whole number will be divisible by 11. Here we are saying that this comes 0, then whole number is divisible by 11. I am going to tell you again. Divisibility by 11. We have to take the digits which are at odd places, as these are 1, 2, 3 and 6. We have taken these digits here and add, we get 12. Again, we will take the digits which are at even places, as 2, 9 plus 1. We have taken these digits here and add, we get 12. After it, we will subtract both the number, these one, and get 0. If we get 0 or the number which is divisible by 11, then the whole number will be divisible by 11. This is the divisibility by 11. I think you have understood. You would have understood these tests. Also, I am going to tell you, if you like this video, please like and share it and subscribe this channel also for such more videos in the future. Thank you.